New, but it's new and improved.
Correct.
This is where tongs meet a spider. You get 2 sets. They have a little kickstand so you can park this on the countertop. And what are you frying here, Mark Charles?
So we have little tacos, little pocket tacos.
I'm here for that.
Oh, we're all here for that, right? So this is about using it in deep frying, oil, water, you name it, whether you want to take things out of the oven. We took basically the spider, like you said, that's that Asian tool.
That's the round part.
Round Asian tool, and put it with tongs. We rounded the edges. We made this new and improved because we gave you a thicker band of stainless. All that stainless, we gave you a thicker silicone. This is 450 degrees safe. It's dishwasher. It locks. Even that silicone, it's got the hook on it. And you get 2 versions. You get wide and mesh. So if it's all types of cooking and all types of foods that you're going to use, delicate, and you've got the perfect tongs.
So I want you to choose this by color,
Yep.
but just as Mark Charles mentioned, you get one
Of each.
with the wider openings and then one with a mesh opening.
Correct, because there are different, and I'll show you a couple of things that I'm doing differently, why you need the both, but it's great to have both on hand.
And you get 2 for $20, and it's free ship and 3 easy payments. How you doing?
How you
All
doing?
right, so let's talk about colors, and let me grab my card because I don't want to miss a color.
Go ahead.
All right, we have this in red. We have this in blue. This color is called sage. And finally, we have it in the gray.
And where you see the color, David, is all silicone, so it's great for the grip. It's ergonomically designed. We did a thicker stainless steel, a thicker part of silicone. Remember, it is oven safe for 450 degrees, and it's dishwasher safe. So,
all right, now, those little taco bites look amazing.
and I love the lock because I always do this with my chest, right? When they're locked for storage. There's the kickstand. Why is the kickstand important? Because when you are using them, they kickstand onto your countertop flat and keep the tongs heads up. See the rounded tops to that, which I love, and there's the mesh. So I always go like this. That's just the way I do it. So
Right.
open it up, and you got a great grip on here. No heat conduction. I can go in here and delicately pull my poached eggs, right? Strain it out because I'm using the strainer. Look how great that is. And then I'm going to delicately place them
I love
on
this
there.
idea.
It's just a great idea of something like here's. We're doing poached eggs because you know what? That's something we thought you really need control and delicacy with it. Again, strain, 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 strain. Put on there. And we
Now-
got some hollandaise sauce on there for you.
And it's the perfect hotel breakfast.
Yeah, it's a hotel breakfast.
We have a great manufacturer here to talk about as well. This is
Yes.
Henning Lee.
So Henning Lee, it's a Minnesota-based family business, okay, that has thoughtful, useful home solutions for people around the world. Henning Lee combines simple designs and a high-quality material to create innovative solutions to the common household problems. I had it written down because I got to remember all that because it's really important to them that we state their statement of why they were created and why they bring things to QVC, and that's what they do. So we're going to do that, and now I'm going to use the larger one. Again, remember, I'm just going to open that up, and I can go in here and look how beautiful this chicken is, and grab that chicken. Look at that.
What
And I'm going to
color?
put that in there with the lemon slices on there, and then we're going to put another piece there.
Boneless cutlets.
But I love the fact that if there's any extra oil, residual oil, I'm straining it out, right? That's why you have that. See, it's straining it out. I'm doing it quickly for TV, obviously. And I still got control. I can take that sprig and put that in there. So we've got that. Now let's go to the next thing. Pierogies, another great thing. You want to be delicate with it. I can get in there and strain these out. These could be boiling pierogies, but I actually deep fry them with onions and olive
or
oil.
you can shallow fry them, and you need to be
Yep.
able to retrieve them. And now over 1,000 of these have been ordered.
Look at
Now, why today? Free shipping and handling for everything that appears on In the Kitchen with David
Oh, I
on the
didn't know
air.
that.
And
That's awesome.
it's 3 easy payments. You get both sets, and these are new and improved. There's more silicone.
Yep. Thicker
And we
stainless.
made the kickstand a little bigger, so it really sits up nicely on the countertop. Maybe not so much on those tilted shelves we got over here on the table, but when they're on a flat surface,
Yep,
perfect.
And I have it right in front, just to show you right there. I put it in front of the countertop so
Look
you
at
can
the
see.
silicone,
See the
what I
silicone
call it,
the kickstand. Yeah,
That little piece down there.
yep, it's holding it up and
This
keeping the head up.
piece.
See that underneath? Yeah, well, there we go. There's the shot.
There it is.
That's why that's there. And we made it thicker. It's not going to be, easily be removable. It's all ergonomic and it's non-slip on here. I always do the egg demo because I like to show that you actually have control. Even if it is a soft-boiled egg, you don't want it to break. I've got that control on there. See that? Boop, ba, doop, ba, doo. See that? So it's straining. I'm going to put that back in there. I can place that in there. Now I'm going to use the same one. I'm going to strain out some
These are
delicate
so good.
raviolis, homemade raviolis. Look at that. So I don't need a colander anymore because this is all the raviolis. I want to make sure.
These little taco bites are delish.
Oh, do you like the taco box? Did they come out good?
You served this with a little taco sauce.
Did we cook them enough for you? Mm-hmm. And again, I love this. So we're gonna, there's the
melty in the meantime.
raviolis. Let's get the raviolis done.
Warm.
He eats while I cook. Did you notice that, by the way?
So good. you cook, I'll eat.
I know. I know my
right.
job. I know my job.
You-
so I
as
love
long-
the
as
fact
long-
that
as
you
long
have
as we know
control
our
of
roles.
delicacies.
Hey, this is very popular. We are very, very busy. This breaks down to $10 per tool. And shipping and handling, you're not paying any.
Yeah. Oh, how great is that?
Zero.
It's a great tool.
I
This
mean,
is a great
it's free.
tool.
FREE, zero zip, not a nothing. 1,500 of these are gone. Here's red, set of 2 red, set of 2 in the blue, set of 2 in the sage, and set of 2 in the gray. Now understand, one of your round discs will have larger openings.
Yep. And you can see it right in the picture right there.
And the other is more of a mesh style.
Because there are different foods that you want, right? Like I did the poached eggs with the mesh because I really wanted all the water
Are you
removed.
frying chicken for Sunday
Yeah,
dinner?
fried chicken, by the way, chicken wings,
Oh,
taking things out of the air
Did I tell you
fryer.
I'm doing wings today?
What kind of wings are you doing?
I'm doing buffalo wings, but I'm going to do them on cookie cooling racks on top of sheet pans in my convection oven, so it'll be like an air fryer.
Ooh, I love that idea.
With a little salt, pepper,
That's great.
garlic powder, and onion powder.
And if we're looking for a little bit low carb choice, we got something coming up, you and me, later that we can make
We
those
do.
with, okay?
We
So
do.
get inside that oven, be able to grab. Remember, these are still great tongs, but we really took the best of the best by
they're
putting
long.
those. And they're long. I mean, they really, there's that locking mechanism, there's that kickstand, there's all that stainless steel. It really is smart. There's that locking mechanism, you put that open and it opens up. Wide mouth, but notice the teeth are rounded, so it's great to like grab on things and not puncture and pierce things easily. But to have that strainer, whether you're using oil, water, whatever, and going inside of my green pan, which by the way, love the green pan in the green.
We
by
have
way.
the
Did you
green
notice?
pan skillet.
The green pan in the green. Look at all of us in green right here.
We're all in
this
green.
whole trifecta of green.
And there's green behind us, too.
So getting inside of there,
I don't think that happened by accident.
being able to grab a whole pork chop, right? Just maybe, just to show you, it's straightening it out just a little bit.
In my first book, I have a great recipe for smothered pork chops, which you could also do inside this green pan skillet.
Yep.
And serve it over this rice. I mean, it would be great.
Now I want to get some veg. No worries, because it scoops up the veg. I don't need the top tongue part. I can
And you
actually
also
add some
don't
veg.
need all the liquid.
I don't need all the liquid.
It strains the
so
liquid
strain
away.
it out. Put it. So these are really versatile tools. Henning Lee took something that you think we knew, which was tools and a spider tool, put them together and made it a better mousetrap, as I like to say.
Now, your stylist is a chef named Mitch.
Mitch, yes.
And Mitch, can I say those little taco bites are delicious?
Yes. I'm very lucky with Mitch. Wait till you see what we'll do with the meatball thing we're doing later.
Well, I can't wait.
You got
The
it.
meatball mold.
You're gonna love the new
And
meatball.
it's free ship.
Also Henning Lee.
I like your green sweater.
Thank you.
All right, now let me review colors again real quickly before we wrap up. With this is the set of 2 red, set of 2 blue, set of 2 sage, and then finally set of 2 in the gray, and 2,500 of these have been ordered. Hey, Rachel, is it time for us to talk about Blackstone?
It's almost time.